Welcome
to Zolytech live streaming. This is Haley,
This is Mary,
your professional sales manager.
This is Zolytech live streaming, and now we are all standing on the second floor of our factory.
Yeah, it's our factory assembly workshop for assembling the small machine.
Like the mattress border decorating machines, tape edge machines for mattress,那个 tape edge.
Yeah.
And what's more, including the panel cutting machines and single needle quilting machines.
And now we also have a multi-needle quilting machine and last stitch multi-needle quilting machine.
Yeah, and we are now on the second floor, and then totally in this building there are 5 floors.
Yes.
From the first floor, which focus on the spare parts producing, and the second floor there is a warehouse for installing the spare parts.
Yes. And the third floor is here.
Yeah.
Here. As you can see, is for the small machines production.
Yeah.
And our fourth floor is for our heavy duty multi-needle quilting machine, last stitch multi-needle quilting machine, heavy machine, and single needle quilting. Our fifth floor is production line, full automatic production line.
It's a full automation mattress production line for we can provide the professional training for our engineers and for our partners, engineers and workers. Another way is that we can produce mattresses on our fifth floor, so that we can know our mattress work. And from this process, we can learn experience from the whole process. Later, we can share our experience and all the data with our customers.
Yes. Okay. Now let's look around for our second floor assembling workshop.
Okay. Now let's go forward. That is the tape edge machine assembly line.
You can see the mattress. We have a 4 model in our factories. One is you can see the semi-auto tape edge machine, and one is automatic tape edge machine is T4A, and we have a T5A also is a full automatic, and the T8A is full servo system and full automatic tape edge machine.
And there are typically 4 types of tape edge machines, from the manual type to the full servo system type.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you, in the chat.
Thanks for watching, and this is Zolytech live streaming.
If you like,
we will take you go through the whole factory, and seeing is believing, watching is believing.
Yes, if you like us, please give us a like.
Thank you. Now here, this is the third floor of our building. On this floor, there are small machines like tape edge machines, and panel cutting machines are under assembly.
Yes.
仔细这边
And now you can see many machine frames are assembling in here.
Those are the single needle quilting machines, the cutting box. And in our factory is China's biggest assembly workshop. And as you can see now, almost 10 sets of every batch are under assembly.
Welcome, Sahid. Mr. Sahid, welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know us more, you can also search Zolytech on Google, or you can follow us on our SNS social mediums like Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn.
And so you can find out all our information on the Google. You can watch the machines video in our YouTube. You can find more detail and find more information on our YouTube.
Yes, we shoot many videos and upload on our YouTube, so you can find like how to maintenance your machines, and how to make make the lifespan longer, how to install machines, how to threading, how to loading fabrics. All the detailed videos you can find them all on our YouTube.
Yes. Okay, let's keep around.
This is the color is different from other machines. This one is the black color, and we also accept customized color.
Yes.
Those are all customized machines.
Yeah, this is our customer customized machine. The inquiry is in the black, so we can let the machine's frame turn back black.
Our standard machine color is white and blue.
Yes. And you can see here is the cutting box of the
Single needle.
yes, and behind the box is the cutting machine.
Okay, thanks for watching. And if you have any question or any doubts, you can set up your questions on our live streaming.
Yes, you
Or
can.
yes.
Yeah, you can leave down the message. If we off the live streaming, we will answer your question as soon as possible. And now you can see here is the multi-needle quilting machine assembling line.
Yeah, there are two types of multi-needle quilting machines under assembly in our factory. One is the lock stitch quilting machine, and the
Yes.
other is the chain stitch.
Yes.
The chain stitch multi-needle quilting machine are focused on the mattress panel quilting, and
Yes.
the lock stitch quilting machine
Can make the quilts, the blankets, or the socks, or the jack.
used in the textile industry.
Yes.
Now behind us are the chain stitch multi-needle quilting machines used in mattress panel. Normally there are four types of multi-needle quilting machines, four types of chain stitch
Yes.
quilting machines.
Yes.
The speed, the model is from WV8
To
WV12, WV15, and WV16.
16. Yes.
The speed of every model is different.
Yes. WVA speed is 800 RPM.
Yeah, the maximum speed is
Yes.
it's almost 800 RPM.
Yes. And WV12 RPM is 1002
200
RPM.
the maximum.
Yes.
And the model WV15, the maximum speed is from is almost 1,300 RPM.
Yes.
And the highest speed of WV16, the maximum speed can reach to 1,500 RPM.
Yeah, it's our newest model, and we add some more new technology in this model.
Yes. Okay. Those are all the finished machines which are waiting for the testing.
Yeah.
And after testing, all the machines will be packed well.
Yes.
In the testing process, what will we do for testing, Ellie?
Yes, and we will use the material to test this machine about 8 hours, and then we take out the material and keep testing about also 8 hours, and we will testing all the machine well, and then we can loading to the customer.
Yes. These are the
啥？
all the finished products will be tested here in this area. And after testing well, actually,
We will use the PE film to packing the this machine and spare parts like this. We use the PE film to pack up the whole spare part.
okay, the working period normally is 80 work days, 30 work days.
Yes.
30 work days for delivery. And if there
Emergency,
are urgent
yeah.
orders,
Yes.
that we have to send the machinery in a very short time, we can say that we have this ability and this productivity to do this, to handle all the urgent needs.
Yes. We can send you the machine in urgently about 7 work days.
Yeah, the shortest time for dealing urgent orders is 7 work days.
Yes, because we will produce every machine like 10 sets of one batch.
Yeah, 10 sets every batch.
Yes.
This is the China's biggest quilting machine assembly workshop.
Yes.
And now it's because at our time is the off work time.
Yes.
They
So
can-
our workers go to the eat dinner and finish dinner. They keep going working.
Yeah, extra time for
Yes.
workers.
Yes.
Okay, let's go this side. Now we want to talk about more about the multi-needle chain-stitch quilting machines.
Yes.
In this computer, this is the electronic box of the quilting machine.
Yes.
And in this computer, there are more than 200 patterns,
Yes.
which include in the continuous patterns and tack and jump patterns in this computer already.
Yes, and we did this computer. We use Windows system, and then we are easy to controlling. Is more than like the common computer. Common computer, yes.
It's already its system is already the Windows system.
Yes.
So not very hard or difficult for operators.
Yes.
So because we know that almost in our domestic in China, most of the operators are women. Are female workers.
Yes.
So they all can handle these machines very well. So it's not very difficult. It's quite easy.
Yes. And about this multi-needle quilting machine, I want to introduce our a small production line set.
Yeah, because in old times or in traditional ways, we buy machines one set by one set.
Yes.
One set by one set. That's the very common purchase way.
Yes.
And nowadays, we introduce you a whole production line.
Yes.
A very small mattress panel production line. To introduce, we would like to introduce you this. One set of quilting machine plus one set of cutting machine and plus one stacker. This is a a small mattress production line, and on Henny's hand,
It is our new small production line. One is the quilting machine, and one is hemming machine, and one is stacker.
yeah. The difference between those two small mattress panel production line is that the middle machine, the machines in this two lines the machines in the middle are different.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. On my hands, in the middle there is a cutting machine. Yeah, that's the very common mesh, very common. And
Yes.
on Henny's hands, in the middle there is a hammer. There is a hemming machine. This
Yes.
is the newest mesh, and this hemming machine with the newest technology, which can save or can replace 4 or 5 fledgling machines and workers.
Yes. Mary, could you introduce the middle machine, the cutting machine, how to do it?
Okay, on my hands in this production line, the cutting machine in the middle will finish side cutting and cross cutting. And what's more is the slitting system, which can cut the pieces, cut the mattress panel into 8 pieces of mattress
Or
borders. Yes. Now, so there are 3 functions of the cutting machine. One is the side cutting, and the second is the cross cutting, and the third, slitting system.
yes.
So, but there is one weakness in this production line. All the mattresses panel after quilting and goes through the cutter, and all the mattress panels are finished.
Stitching.
No. All finished in this production line. The product is without fledging.
Yes.
So, but in this line,
Yeah. In this line, this hemming machine can flanging the 4 sides and cut the setup size. So the mattress panel come out to the hemming machine into the stackers. That the stacker will one by one put it into the right position, and then we can go to the tape H station directly.
yeah, the mattress panels produced by this production line can transfer to the tape edge station directly.
Yes.
But on my hands, this production line, all the finished mattress panels will be transferred to the fledging station.
Yes.
With the help of the very experienced fledgling workers.
Yes.
Help to finish all the mattress panels overlocking work. Then all the mattresses will transfer again to the tape edge station.
Yes. In this small production line, we can only use the one person to finish the whole production line work. And even yes, a woman or even a man just can finish the whole production line work.
Yeah, it's the very high productivity.
Yes.
And can save.
Save the labor cost.
Yeah, save labor cost and more efficiency.
Yes.
Because we all know that the fledgling station, if we require workers to finish all the overlocking work in a very strict effect, the sewing line,
Yes.
we have to require it very strictly. But non-experienced workers cannot do this. Only experienced workers with higher salaries,
Yes.
with higher salary can do all this, can do the work.
Yes.
But we can use a machine to replace.
Yes. This machine can sewing the lines very straight, so you can go to the tape H station directly.
Yeah. So with lower cost and lower
Yes.
labor cost, but more beautiful effect.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, now what you're watching now is the chain stitch multi-needle quilting machine.
Yes.
This is the WV15.
Yes. It's
Speed can reach to 1,003 400 RPMs.
Is our hot sales model. Is one of our hot sales model.
Yes. And the recommended match of this machine is the one set of WV15 plus one set of hemming machine and one set of stick.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, and if you like us,
Please give us a like. Okay. Okay. It's almost in the end of our today live streaming, and I want to tell you guys some good news. We will open the exhibition on Turkey in September. In Istanbul, we will show our machine on here.
Yeah, the machines will be shown on the exhibition will be multi-needle chain-stitch quilting machine and hemming machine, stickers.
It's our newest technology of the multi-needle quilting machine.
Yeah, it's the world's highest speed, the WV16.
Yes.
The maximum speed can reach to 1,500 RPM.
Yes, and if you want to follow us, know more our booth information, please follow Zolytech. Search Zolytech on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, or on TikTok. You can find out all our information, and we will post our booth message on the social media.
Yeah, please follow our social medias.
Yes.
And we will try our best to present to you more videos and pictures and more share more experience and data with all our customers.
Yes.
And what's more, we warmly welcome every dealers or distributors can find us and contact us to know more informations about what help, what informations, what services we can provide for our dealers and distributors.
Yes, all over the world.
Yes.
And now it's in the end. Please follow us, and we will open live streaming on this Thursday.
Yeah. And see you on
see you on next week.
Okay. Next week.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
今天是端午节，
今天是啊。
不是端午节，是不是？